Hi everyone, in today's video, I am giving you a quick and honest review of Exodus wallet, one of the most beginner friendly crypto wallets out there. What is Exodus wallet? Exodus is a free non-custodial wallet that lets you manage, send and swap 300 plus cryptocurrencies. It's available on desktop, mobile and even as a browser extension. Key features: supports Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana and many more. Built-in exchange for instant token swaps, NFT support, staking option for earning reward. Pros: beautiful and beginner-friendly interface, no KYC required, easy staking and swapping, excellent customer support. Cons: doesn't support Web3 DFs, swap fees can be higher than average, not open source. Conclusion: overall, Exodus Wallet is a great choice for new crypto users who want simplicity, security, and smooth user experience. Perfect for holding and swapping your favorite coins. That's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel.